Hi, my name is Taylor Sachs, and I am currently living in Illinois. I actually spent the last few years traveling around the United States in an RV. So I have lived in Arizona, Washington, and Tennessee. My time living in Arizona, I actually acquired 8 years of teaching experience, and I have taught middle school and high school students ELA. I also have a lot of experience working with students with autism, and I love to help students in any way I can. It is a deep passion of mine. Outside of teaching and tutoring, I also love to do yoga. It's great for my mental health. I like to explore new food places in the cities that I see along the way. And I also really enjoy spending time in nature and spending time with my dog, Rosie. Thank you so much. It's really nice to meet you and your family, and I'm really excited to be learning together.